We all love to listen to music on the go, but this isn't always easy to achieve. Managing playlists takes effort. Unstable internet connections are frustrating, and frequently having to recharge your battery simply cuts you off.
We believe listening to music should be easier, and this is why we made Ivy.
Ivy are smart, standalone headphones. They open the door to more than 40 million songs. From the moment you put it on, the music is on. Ivy is easy to use. Simply swipe forward to skip a song. Tap if you like a song. Once you've liked a song, Ivy remembers it and adds it to your favorite channel. It's like having a personal DJ. Ivy learns what you like and generates playlists just for you. Switching between channels is super easy. Just use the channel ring and you're there. Through sensors, Ivy learns where and when you like to track. The more you use Ivy, the better it understands your preferences, the more it plays music you like. No more wasting time for organizing your music. Ivy organizes it for you. Selected from a library of over 40 million tracks, Ivy refreshes your music whenever you charge it. This means no more syncing with the computer, searching through apps, or waiting for songs to load. With Ivy, music is simply there, anywhere, anytime. Ivy's battery life lasts up to 40 hours. It's as if the music never stops, until you want it to. When you remove your headphones, it pauses the track automatically, so you'll never miss a beat.
What if we told you that this bag was the future and that the future is now? Introducing HiSmart, the first of its kind that merges fashion and technology. A convertible bag that serves as an extension of your phone, vastly simplifying the way you connect to people, places, and things. The specially designed strap enables you to answer calls, listen to music, and pin location, one that also records your voice, takes selfies, and finds your stuff in just 1 second. But why tell you when we can show you? Meet Mark. He works as a programmer. It's another busy day, so he speeds things up. Of course, he will forget something, like his phone. But that's all right. The HiSmart can help. Just hold the remote's button for a few seconds to trigger the alarm. The phone's alarm will ring, and he can easily grab it and go. Mark enjoys his daily commute. With the phone synced to the HiSmart, he can play, pause, skip, and control the volume of his music. He can even pick up phone calls without taking out his phone.
This is Mark.
HiSmart cleverly changes from a backpack to a messenger bag in seconds, thanks to the unique snap-on attachment and fit lock. It's fit for any occasion, and its beautiful design might just have heads turning. Looking good, Mark. This is Jane. She's a graphic designer. She's organized and detail-oriented, so that's why she chooses the HiSmart. The detailed 12-pocket compartments can store items from a MacBook and iPad to drawing tools and books, even a keychain, so everything has its place. The lightweight waterproof canvas protects Jane from the rain and all her electronics without any problems. The HiSmart acts as Jane's personal guide. A quick pin helps her remember where she parked her car. She can access all her favorite locations in 1 second and map it there to save time. She's able to express her ideas and inspiration with the voice recording feature without using a paper and pen. It can take selfies from a distance so that she can take beautiful photos and share them on social media.
Remember the Jetsons? Who didn't dream of that home? A home that knows us and how we live, and generally makes life better and much easier. Well, we're still a bit away from having Rosie make us dinner, but that hasn't stopped a lot of companies from trying to bring us a smart home experience. It's a great idea. The problem? The smartphone is not the answer to smart home. This only makes a simple task like flipping a light switch even more complicated. The smart home that's been delivered isn't all that smart. Until now. Introducing Umi, the smart home system for everyone. It's simple, it's fun, and there's nothing else like it, guaranteed. This little cube makes your home a lot smarter and your life much easier right out of the box. Here's why. Typically, smart home systems have a central gateway that allows you to control and monitor your home. But you must have additional sensors installed all over the place just to keep an eye on things. Umi is different, because Umi Cube is more than a gateway. We packed it full of sensors, including a 360-degree IR blaster, so you can control your home theater and even your thermostat. It even has a camera so you can keep an eye on your home, even when you're away. Cube is brilliant, but the real beauty with Umi is that you can be up and running in minutes thanks to our innovative Tap and Touch technology. Tap and Touch lets you add new devices to Umi with just a tap. This makes setting up and expanding your system super easy. We made Umi for everyone, so even if your mom is scared of technology, she can still set up a smart home in just a few minutes. Once set up, control of your home has never been so simple or convenient. Umi Touch's brilliant 7-inch display gives you full control of your house using familiar widgets or by using voice controls. Umi Touch gives you control over your security, your ambiance, and your entertainment, all from one simple interface. But we don't just give you control of your TV, Umi takes smart home entertainment to the next level. With Umi Streamer, you can watch movies from services like Netflix and YouTube, stream music from Pandora, access content on demand, or just surf the web. Wake up to your favorite music or news channels. You can even get notifications, see who's at the door, and let them in, all from the comfort of your couch. And you can control it all right from Umi Touch. No more cluttered and clunky remotes on the coffee table. It truly is the ultimate universal remote. But Umi is about more than just control. It's about making your life easier.